I truly believe by awakening the divine feminine and working in these areas around birth, business, and spirituality, we can make big changes, massive changes in the world that we're living in today. We can notice when we see what's happening in the world around us that systems are crumbling and are no longer serving us. And it's time for us to start to bring our attention, start to have conversations and bring focus on what we want to create. And I truly feel by bringing in the divine feminine in these areas, coming together collectively, we can make the change that we want to see.
This is a really special day to be offering birthing in New Earth. As you know, this is the equinox, and it is that balance between the darkness and the light, and even coming full circle through the seasons.
One of the most beautiful commentaries I ever heard about an indigenous culture was when a man said, in the olden days, our women used to dream our world into being through their wombs. And then that's when we were in balance.
We birth the new earth through an awakened womb. So whether that's the visions we're birthing through the clear womb space, whether it's the creativity we're birthing through that, whether it's the garden and the land and the vegetables that we grow through that creative portal, whether it's businesses or spirituality, or whether it is new life as in, small humans, this, I believe, is how the new earth is birthed. It really supports us to realize that everything is a reflection of birth.
Them together in a really focused way to get ready. Mm-hmm. And so I was asking, get ready for what? And it's to midwife or hold space for the crumbling of patriarchy. And then midwife the return of the goddess.
With the individual, working on ourselves, doing our inner work, but then also holding that common vision of what we want for our future, what we want for the world. And so it is this micro and macro way of looking at things. When we heal ourselves, we also heal outside ourselves.